me. Can you go do that somewhere else?
I'm buying cat food. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, that was her.
No, it wasn't either.
It wasn't me.
That's pretty nasty.
Oh. Oh. Damn. Oh, damn!
You okay?
Yes, ma'am. Are you okay?
Nah, you the one had the issue.
Man, my leg gave out on me.
Oh.
I'm sorry, dang. Do I need to get somebody? Damn, hey, can you? It's dope as hell. Yeah, my fault. Hell yeah, stomach toe up. Ate some, hell yeah. Ate some Chinese earlier. A little backed up, yeah. Yes, sir. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, shit. God damn. Oh.
Did you fart?
Huh?
Did you fart?
No, hell no. I think it was him. Did you fart, sir? Did you fart? It stank. You stank. No.
Oh.
What is up, guys? We love you. How you doing? Let us know down here. It's been a long time. Go ahead and ride.
But if you need help with riding down here, we got you covered.
Let's say you're not good at riding. Well, we got some help for you. You can go to edubirdie.com. You can choose from professional riders, hundreds of them, and they're trained in all fields of study, and they're very professional, and they can help you.
These pros will help you with whatever academic assignment you may have, whether it's editing an existing paper or starting over a new one from scratch. Riding's just really easy with EduBirdie.
I am so sorry. I did not know that was going to slip out. My bad, man. I've been eating way too much Crystal here lately. Ooh. 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 Woo.
Oh. Hey. Oh. Oh shit! Damn! Gotta do this. Oh shit! Oh, I'm sorry. You see her face, bro? Huh? Yeah, that's what, yeah. Yeah, going to wrap it up. Gonna pay for this beer, we gotta go. Excuse you. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just fell. I'm so sorry. I just got scared.
Did you fart?
Yeah, dude. I got scared.
He can fart.
Did you fart?
No, him. I think it was her.
Okay.
Bro, bathroom's that way.
Oh, is it doing anything? Is it doing anything? Oh shit, my fault, y'all. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I ain't mean to, man. My stomach hurt. I'm sorry, y'all.
Couldn't hold it?
Nah, I couldn't hold it. And now sell them brushes in here. Yeah, no. Oh shit. Oh shit, my fault, big dog. He was cracking up.